Hello everyone and welcome to this comparison between Podpage versus Squarespace for podcasters. Which is better? We'll be taking a look at the features, pricing, pros and cons, and at the end, you have solid reasons to make your pick. We have the link to both services in the description so you can get a head start at the end of this video when you've made your choice. When it comes to features, we'd like to start with what they have in common. You have a built-in website hosting, so there's no need for external hosting setup. They also have custom domains and branding, mobile responsive designs, and basic SEO tools to help your podcast get discovered. But here's where they distinguish themselves. For Podpage, you have automated episode syncing. This function pulls episodes directly from your podcast's RSS feeds, and because of this, no manual uploads are needed. Then you have a built-in podcast SEO optimization. It automatically structures your site to rank podcast episodes better on search engines. And it has podcast-specific pages, such as guests, episodes, and reviews. This will keep your whole setup organized and structured. And now to Squarespace's features. It has advanced design customization. It does come with a drag and drop builder with full control over layout, font, and branding. All-in-one business tools. This includes blogging, e-commerce, email marketing, and analytics in one platform. And the content flexibility. With this feature, you can build more than a podcast site. You can build portfolios, landing pages, or full businesses. So, Squarespace is more versatile. And now to the pricing. Podpage has 3 tiers, the Basic, Pro, and Elite. The Basic comes at $12 per month, and it features a podcast website with unlimited pages. Also, it has automatic episode imports and basic customization. The Pro plan comes at $19 per month, and this comes with advanced design customization, email sign-up forms, and built-in SEO enhancements, among other perks. The Elite plan is at $39 per month, and this comes with priority support, advanced integrations, custom branding, and design flexibility. And now to Squarespace. Squarespace has a basic plan at $12 per month. This comes with free custom domain, fully customizable template, and basic website analytics. The core plan is at $17 per month. And this brings you advanced analytics, promotional pop-ups and banners, and basic e-commerce features. The advanced plan is at $25 per month. This will give you full e-commerce functionality, no transaction fees, and customer account and checkout tools. As with any service, I'd like to know the pros and the cons. And starting with Podpage on the bright side. It's extremely easy to set up. Its design is specific for podcasters. Podpage helps you save time with automation, and it has a strong podcast SEO structure. On the downside with the cons, it has limited design flexibility, it's not ideal for non-podcast content, and it does have fewer integrations than general builders. Squarespace, on the other hand, on the bright side, is highly customizable with its design options. It is an all-in-one platform for multiple use cases, not just restricted to podcasters. It also has professional templates for different categories and strong business and marketing tools. On the downside with the cons, it requires more time during setup. It's not podcast specific, so you'll need some manual work to get things running, and there is a slight learning curve. In conclusion, when it comes down to it, Podpage is perfect if you want a fast, hands-off solution built specifically for podcasting, especially if you don't want to deal with the technical setup. On the other hand, Squarespace is better if you're building a broader brand or business around your podcast and need full design control and flexibility. So if your priority is simplicity and automation, go with Podpage. If you want a creative freedom and scalability, Squarespace is the better choice. Don't forget to check out the links to both services in the description below so you can enjoy the service you pick. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.